Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve not syncing on Uber app. If you click on settings, in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Uber app. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.